Installing your new G-floor can be as simple as unroll, position, and trim if needed. Or you might want to use center trim and edge trim to provide a finished wall-to-wall look. You can also completely adhere your flooring for a more permanent application. This might be preferable if the flooring gets direct sunlight or if the room has large temperature swings. Prep your garage by removing any items that are going to be in the installation area. Scrape and sweep or vacuum the floor to provide a clean subfloor. Clean any oil or grease on the subfloor. Fill any cracks or holes with a floor patch, making sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Your subfloor should be clean, dry, smooth, and free of any debris. To install your G-floor rollout flooring, unroll it to let it acclimate and flatten out. If you have more than one roll, be sure to unroll them in the same direction. Position your flooring where you would like it placed. Notice that fluffing to introduce air underneath the flooring will provide an easy placement. Let the air cushion the mat. Once in position, be sure to sweep the mat from the center out to remove any air bubbles. Then, using a straight edge and utility knife, carefully trim as needed. Measure and add the center trim, leaving 1 inch on all sides for expansion. Measure and add the edge trim, mitering the corners. G-floor is available in multiple sizes, colors, and textures, with each texture having its own special qualities. Levant is easy to walk on and a great texture for a multi-purpose room, a utility room, an entryway, or a garage. The ribbed pattern is perfect for containing fluids from your vehicle or outside influences like rain or snow from your car. Small coin provides excellent slip resistance and traction, with the studded protrusions providing a rough surface. The coin pattern offers a slightly raised surface, which is great in the garage and workspaces, as well as commercial environments. The diamond tread offers a rugged and industrial look, which is perfect for the garage, workshops, man caves, and commercial applications. G-floor installation can be as simple as unroll and use as a parking pad. Installed as shown here with center and edge trim, or a completely adhered wall-to-wall application, G-floor has the application and texture to fit your needs. Order yours today.